हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माई चैनल। आज हामी सिक्नेछौँ द डग कुकुरको बारेमा कसरी लेख्ने। अब भिडियोलाई स्टार्ट गरौँ। द डग इज a small animal found in many houses as a pet. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears, a nose and a mouth. It has a small body with 4 legs. It also has a curled tail. Its body is covered with hair called fur. There are many kinds of dog. Some are huge and some are small. Some have long ears, some have short. The dog also they are of many colors, but mostly they are black in colors one. The dog also they are of white and brown in color. The dog likes to eat meat and bones. I love my dog very much.